Last time, we exposed how China's rare earth chokehold threatened to cripple the most advanced military on Earth. The economic war is over, because today the United States is finally mounting a counterstrike. It's a battle to rewire the global supply chain, and it begins with an ambitious new alliance. East, bolstered by a massive injection of capital, an $8.5 billion deal designed to break Beijing's dominance. Stick around, because today we dive deep into the US-Australia partnership and ask, is the West finally building the shield it needs? To ensure military superiority, the US needed a strategic shift. They needed a new global architecture for critical materials. The answer lies in the resource-rich Australian continent, now the cornerstone of the new Western Alliance. Through the Minerals Security Partnership, Washington is uniting allies from India to Japan to create a fully redundant supply network. This includes critical safeguards like guaranteed price floors designed to shield allied miners from Chinese price manipulation. The governments have committed to faster permitting and streamlined bureaucracy, recognizing that time is the real enemy. Key projects like a new gallium refinery in Western Australia are being fast-tracked to close immediate defense vulnerabilities. This commitment is backed by the US Export-Import Bank, issuing over $2 billion in financing to projects like Arafura's Nolans. It's a global chess match where the US and its allies are finally forming a united critical minerals bloc. The goal? Moving control away from extraction and into manufacturing readiness, ensuring the West controls the final product. At home, the centerpiece remains the Mountain Pass mine in California, America's only major operational rare earth facility. A huge step. MP Materials is now in a race to process this ore domestically, breaking the decades-old habit of shipping raw materials to China. However, the greatest challenge lies in heavy rare earths, like dysprosium, critical for military magnets. China controls 90% of global refining capacity. Rebuilding this complex supply chain from scratch won't be fast. Experts warn it will take anywhere from 5 to 15 years to achieve true independence. The Department of Defense has treated this as a 4-alarm fire, utilizing the Defense Production Act to flood the sector with initial funding. Engineers are now racing to build advanced processing facilities that meet modern standards, focusing on clean extraction techniques. The goal is vertical integration, controlling every step, from the ore in the ground all the way to the finished defense-grade magnet. This is also an investment in human capital, creating a specialized American workforce to secure the future of our domestic industrial base. The urgency is real because demand is skyrocketing. Consumption is projected to triple by 2035 for defense and clean energy technology. Every component, from the Abrams tank to the next-generation precision-guided munition, depends on winning this technological race. This is a direct confrontation. China imposes export controls, while the US and its allies accelerate permitting, investment, and production. The alliance factor is expanding. Washington is courting new partners, like India and Brazil, which hold significant new rare earth deposits. But here's the caution. Industry experts warn that achieving genuine supply growth in this sector will take a heroic 5 to 7 years. Furthermore, the success of these new projects hinges on whether customers can cure their addiction to the lowest possible cost supply from China. This struggle is about systemic competition, a closed, state-controlled system versus an open, collaborative global security bloc. While the West invests, the harsh reality is that China's entrenched dominance will continue to cast a long shadow over the entire global supply chain. So, the $8.5 billion alliance marks a powerful start. The US and its allies are finally taking the economic war seriously. But the question remains, can they build a secure, China-free supply chain before the chokehold tightens too much? What do you think? Is the US doing enough to counter this threat? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this deep dive informative, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the critical issues shaping our world. Thanks for watching the US Warfare Desk.